All right, one of the reasons why companies are successful is because they support the community that they live in. Now we are here at Florida Cracker, the Cook Shack. I will tell you, this is probably the best chicken sandwich I've ever had on the planet. Business owners, support your community, support your local restaurants, support your coffee shops, support your ice cream shops. That's what you're supposed to do. Just don't talk about your business, talk about others. And today, let's talk about the Cook Shack at Florida Cracker. All right. How beautiful is this, Mr. Josh? Reserved for combat? That's a class act. That's a class act. All right. Age before beauty? All right. As we enter this beautiful establishment, it's an early lunch, but Josh and I had an early film this morning. Really cool feel that you have in here with their, they also have properties. They have a lot. They're like a conglomerate up here, man. These people own everything, but it's good for them. God bless them. But you have your picnic tables in here. They have a nice outside space as well. You can get all your sauces right here from your chicken sandwiches, your burgers, your barbecue, and whatever you want. You have a beautiful spot out here for entertaining. Come on, let's check this out as well. Always music playing. They have live bands out here, playground for the kids, places to eat outside. This doesn't get any better than this. One of their shops is over there as well, the Cook Shack. That's where they buy all the merchandise over there, but beautiful oak tree outside. And then obviously right here, downtown Brooksville. What a beautiful spot. Let's go eat.
The contractor.
Yeah, we're right on Main Street. We build the barndominiums.
Let me call a contractor.
Damn right. We're gonna assassinate some houses.
The contractor. I need something done.
Get some stuff done.
It's like something in the movie.
It is. There is a movie called The Contractor. Yeah. I forgot the guy's name, but oh, is this a new menu?
It's Chris Pine.
It's Chris Pine. Good call. All right. Well, I'm super excited because they have a new menu. This is awesome. So I forgot what I get, but it's the chicken. I get what is it? Your chicken sandwich that you guys have?
You did spicy chicken sandwich last night.
Is this? I don't want. Is it spicy? The hot chick, the mild. Okay, so I'm gonna do the mild because that was too hot last time. I'm a wimp. Nick likes to get the hot stuff. And Josh, what are you gonna get, Josh? Here, let's see what Josh. So Josh is here too. Let's go on, Josh. Go on, Josh. What are you gonna get?
I don't like any of that.
You don't like the chicks, dude? You don't like chicks? You don't like chicks? Let's talk about it.
Yeah, I got sauce over there.
I'm gonna be very rude. Just put a camera on you without permission. Say hello. Do I have permission?
Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Cool. So who are you? How long have you been working here?
I started in like September of 2023.
You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
It's pretty fun.
Pretty
I
fun.
love working with all
They're
these
good people?
Yeah.
As long as they're good people.
Yeah. That's why I'm still here.
The sweet tea's awesome here, right?
I don't know if it is today.
What? It better be. It's like your
Should be.
Your answer is it should be.
I just keep it real all the
I
time.
like that. Transparency. I love her. Okay, so I'll do a sweet tea. What are you gonna get for a drink, buddy?
I'll take lemonade.
Okay. Lemonade, sweet tea, drinks. All right, let's wait for our food and we'll go from there. All right, so Josh, we're here outside. We're waiting for our food. While we're waiting, I'm going to challenge you to a cornhole tournament outside. Let's go. Get out here, buddy. Let's go. We're gonna get it all. I'm gonna film you. We're gonna reverse the roles here today. I'm gonna film you creating magic.
I'll be blue.
You be blue. Blue is my favorite color, bro. You're not supposed to touch blue. All right, but go ahead. It's okay. I'll allow it. Yeah, we'll alternate. Go ahead. Ooh, you can edit that out. This is like the golf tournament all over again.
Yes, it is.
Okay. All right, here we go. Hold on, guys, listen, I need you to calm down. This is not a big job. We're gonna slow it down, okay?
What I did.
Okay, we're gonna slow it down, guys. We're gonna slow it down. This is just a gentle job.
Oh.
Oof.
You gotta hit the board though.
Oof, I feel less than right now. Go ahead, bro. Ooh, okay.
On.
You did get it on. Here we go. 3, 2. Ooh! Who invented this game? I don't like Mr. Cornhole. Oh, that was so close.
I see the one throw that gets the distance.
Boom. Oh, bro! Damn it! I think that's the one. Oh, all right, last one. Last one.
Up here, or maybe.
Last one. Oh! Damn it!
That's right.
It was a good time. You won. Knuckles.
Got it.
Tink. All right. I should get double points for getting closest.
how it works.
That's how it works.
That's how cornhole
It should work that way. Whatever. All right. You know what? Let's stack it up for these people. Wait a minute. Why do you have 4? You had 4. I had 3, Jan? Oh, is there 4 there? Oh, I can't.
You keep trying to say I'm cheating over here because you
Can't
lost.
count. Damn it. Hold on. Let me go play my tugboat. Lots of fun out here. Play at your own risk. Wow. This is fantastic. All right, let's get some food. So here at the Cook Shack, we get to milk our sauces. If you ever milked a cow.